number one. He's crazy. You can control his right foot. Not an owl. Let's see what he does here. He's not an owl. He does everything that he does really everything that what else did I get? For Christmas, I also got the computer that I showed you. I got a Charleston Chew, which I've already ate. So, yeah, it's somewhere down in the ocean since I think processed it. It's somewhere down in the ocean. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. I have to. It itches. Ugh. It really does. Okay. Yeah. I got this. I got this in my stocking. Yeah, this is my brother. He's being a complete weirdo. Colby, get out. Don't do that. You suck, Colby. I'm sorry, but it's true. I got little wrestlers. Little thumb wrestlers. I'm gonna knock you out. Okay. He's not really going to knock you out. He's just joking. This guy is CM Punk.
What the deuce is going on here?
Shut up. He thinks he's like, what's his name, Stewie?
Yes.
Stewie
My name
Gifford.
is Stu. Good God, Lord. And I'm gonna punch you. I'm gonna hit you. What's my name? What's my name?
Stewie.
What's my name?
Stewie. Yeah, my brother's a complete weirdo.
Hi.
Do you want a body slam? Do you want a body slam? No, I do not want a body slam. I'm sorry, I have the video here.